Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanwhosettonselfonfire.com. Also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Alright guys, here we go. As always, you can tell by the thumbnail, today we're talking about the cut breast. That's right guys, 360 waves, woofing, all of that. So you want to know, how do I arrive to this point? You remember this video right here?
Keep in mind, this is my very first S-curl kit that I've ever done to someone. It's a complete success. My client is very happy.
Video that I done my daughter with doing a little bonding time, and I got some pretty nasty comments about it. But anyway guys, as you can tell in the video and in the description of the video, I explained, I love the fact that my daughter is in her second semester of college and she loves to take time and just bond with her old man. So whatever it is, we go ahead and we'll get it in. That's how I kind of arrived to the point of the waves and stuff like that. Since then, my hair grew out several times, and I just decided to go ahead and just keep it up like I was young, just keep brushing and try to get my sons into it. And long and behold, I didn't realize that it was still a thing. Like, believe it or not, I didn't know about 360 waves. Nor did I know about woofing. Over the weekend, my godchild came over and we went to go get our haircuts. And I said, boy, go get your haircut. And he was like, Parain, I just need a lineup. He was like, cause I'm woofing. I was like, what is woofing? And he took me to this gentleman YouTube channel, 360 Jeezy. The video that I watched, he did a quick unboxing of a brush, but he didn't go into any detail of it. He just unboxed it, and it was from a company called For The Mask. It was the cut brush. It took me a long time to find it, but I finally found it on Amazon and went ahead and ordered it. So let's get it to the workbench. We're going to get it in, we're going to see exactly how it works, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. 360, woofing, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to see how this get down. Alright, and here we have it. Let's go ahead and take a look around the box. Now, I must say, I was thoroughly impressed with how they had this bad boy packaged. I love the fonts. I love when you open up the box, they have everything that's inside of the box just labeled and laid out for you. Really enhance your experience. Now, it comes with a micro USB charging wire and a user manual. It takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it, and you get about 4 to 5 hours of working time. It's about 3 watts, so it's not really that powerful, but it's powerful enough. And you can see it comes with all different number blades. So if you are a barber, you know what the number 1, the number 2, the number 3 is, and also they have a number 0. Now here's the brush itself. Feels very good in the hand. The bristles are nice and stiff. You can remove the handle. You know about those people that love their waves. You know how they got that wave grip on that brush. And like I said, man, it feels excellent in the hand. It feels, it's not really a premium build, but it doesn't feel cheap either. I think this is an excellent idea. You've really never seen anything like this before. But it feels great, man. I mean, despite the charge it up, everything is located correctly. And you turn it on, you can hear how powerful it is for yourself. The bristles are removable from the brush. You really can get down to the nitty gritty. This becomes handy whenever you're cleaning it. You probably can even use it like this to probably fade someone up, man. Probably gonna have to try that in the future. I know, I'm rambling on about it. Let's go ahead and take it into the bathroom and let's see exactly how it works. And I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Woo! That old man got those waves up there. So take this guard off. Go with a bigger guard. You always can cut lower, guys, so I want to start off with the biggest one. Just snap it on right there. All right, and what I want to do, take the handle off. Go gangster. Turn it on. Let's see what it does. I definitely can hear it. Want to make sure that your guard is secure, guys. And I just got a fresh cut. So I just want to see if we're going to get a little hair up in here. one of the things I quickly recognize is that my hair is probably too low, but if I want to keep it like this, I mean, easily it works. I can see that it's cutting. You can see right there that it was cutting, but it's like hair and bristles mixed together. So probably gotta break the brush in, or just figure out a way how to keep the doggone bristles from getting into the blade. But I'm gonna keep on playing with it, guys. I'm gonna try one more thing and see if I can get some hair in there. So I'm gonna see, since my hair is too short, I'm gonna see if it's able to just trim my beard. Definitely have some hair up in there. Yeah, you can see it's definitely cutting my beard. Look, you can tell that it got my beard, got some hair on me. So yeah, man, if you woofing, this definitely would be the brush for you to make sure that you keep that hair at one length. Whew. Oh man, look at that, man. I'm getting seasick. It got so many waves. See the hair in the sink. So yeah, man, I think it get the job done. All right, guys, welcome back. So as you can tell, man, this right here is a great little device. It's very easy. I mean, for $70 to be able to keep a fresh cut. A cut appointment is not till Friday and it's Wednesday and I have a meeting. You know, I just need like that little fresh look, you know? So now I can just take out that little brush and just brush everything evenly. And most important for those of you guys that are like my godchild, that is what they call woofing, not cutting their hair, really just keeping it thick and keeping it compact and just brushing it to really get that 360. This brush come in handy because it can just take just a little bit off, and that way you still have that fresh look. I mean, just imagine having a fresh cut every day. I recommend it. 2 thumbs up. It's your boy taking a bathroom. As always, showing you guys how technology can improve your life. And this is definitely new tech. I'm going to be woofing it, 360ing it. Probably not. I'm probably not. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.